Hello friends, welcome to GEM Academy. Now we are going to see an important problem in CAAB BFM page number 602, new edition page number 602. There is a table for finding the capital. Now I am going to explain. Investment in government securities with yield 6% and risk weight 0%, lending in AAA rated customers with yield 6%, risk weight 20%, lending in AA rated yield is 10% and risk weight is 50%, lending to A rated is 12% yield and risk weight is 100%. The company has 1000 as investment. So this 1000 in option 1 they are investing completely in government securities, and the next 1000 they are investing in 400 they are investing in government securities, and 600 they are investing in AAA rated, and the next 1000 they are investing for 300 in government securities and 300 in AAA rated and 400 in AA rated, and the next 1000 they are investing 300 in government securities and 300 in AAA rated and 200 in AA rated and also 200 in A rated. So I am going to find the yield for this one. So for 1000 the first option is for the complete 1000 they are investing in government securities. So 1000 into 6 by 100, 1000 into 6 by 100 which gives 60. Next one is so the yield is 60, and the next one 400 into 6 by 100 for government security 6 by 100 and plus 600 into 8 by 100 which gives 72, and the next option 300 into 6 by 100 plus 300 into 8 by 100 plus 400 into 10 by 100 which gives 82, and the next option 300 into 6 by 100 plus 300 into 8 by 100 plus 200 into 10 by 100 plus 200 into 12 by 100 which gives the yield as 86. So for the first option we are getting the yield as 60, and for the second option the yield is 72, for the third option the yield is 82, and for the fourth option the yield is 86. Then yield percentage, I am going to find a yield percentage. Out of this 1000 they are getting yield of 60. So 60 divided by 1000 into 100 which gives 6%. Likewise this investment is 1000 they are getting yield as 72. So 72 divided by 1000 into 100 which gives 7.2%. Likewise here 82 divided by 1000 into 100 which gives 8.2%. 86 divided by 1000 into 100 which gives 8.6%. So the yield is yield for the option 1 is 6%, for the option 2 is 7.2%, and for the option 3 it is 8.2%, and for the option 4 that is 8.6%. Then risk weight for investment 1 for government securities the risk weight is 0%, for AAA rated the risk weight is 20%, and for AA rated the risk weight is 50%, and for A rated the risk weight is 100%. So the risk weight 1000 they are investing completely in government securities. So 1000 into 0%, this is 0, and next one 400 into 0% plus 600 into 20% which gives 120. And the next one for the third option the risk weight is 300 into 0% plus 300 into 20% plus 400 into 50% which gives the risk weight as 260. And for the fourth option 300 into 0% plus 300 into 20% plus 200 into 50% plus 200 into 100% which gives a yield as 360. So the capital is 8%. According to RBI norms, the capital should be 8% of the risk-weighted assets. So 0 into 8% which is 0. The capital is 0 for 120. For the option 2, the company has to maintain a capital of 120 into 8 by 100 which is 9.6, and here 260 into 8% which is 20.8, and for option 4, 360 into 8% which is 28.8. This is an important expected problem in BFM. And the same model, investment in government securities is 10,000. The amount to be the amount which the company has for investment is 10,000, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000. The previous problem they have got 1,000. Here that is 10,000. 10,000 they are investing in government securities, and another one 10,000 they are investing for 4,000 they are investing in government securities, and 6,000 they are investing in AAA rated companies. And for option 3, 3,000 they are investing in government securities, 3,000 they are investing in AAA rated, and 4,000 they are investing in AA rated. And for option 4, 3,000 they are investing in government securities, and 3,000 they are investing in AAA rated, and 2,000 they are investing in AA rated, and 2,000 they are investing in A rated. So next one, 10,000 yield. Yield I am going to calculate. For 10,000 the yield is 7%. So 10,000 into 7 by 100 which gives 700. Next one, for option 2, 4,000 into 7 by 100 plus 6,000 into 8 by 100 which gives a value 760. And for the option 3, 3,000 into 7 by 100 plus 3,000 into 8 by 100 plus 4,000 into 10 by 100 which gives a value 850. And for option 4, 3,000 into 7 by 100 plus 3,000 into 8 by 100 plus 2,000 into 10 by 100 plus 2,000 into 12 by 100 which gives a value 890. So the yield percentage is, this is a yield, and next one yield percentage, 700 divided by 10,000 into 100 which gives yield percentage as 7%. Next one, 760 divided by 10,000 into 100 which gives a yield as 7.6%, and 850 divided by 10,000 into 100 which gives 8.5% as a yield, and 890 divided by 10,000 into 100 which gives a yield as 8.9%. And next one, risk weighted assets. Risk weighted assets for government securities, that is 0%. So 10,000 into 0% which gives 0. And next, for the next one, 4,000 into 0% plus 6,000 into 20% which gives a value 1,200. And 3,000 into 0% plus 3,000 into 20 by 100 plus 4,000 into 50 by 100 which gives a value 2,600 plus 3,000 and this one, for option 3, 3,000 into 0 by 100 plus 3,000 into 20 by 100 plus 2,000 into 50 by 100 plus 2,000 into 100% which gives a value as 3,600. So our risk weights are 0, 1,200, 2,600 and 3,600. And capital required by RBI is for the first one is 0. The risk weight is 0, so 0%. So 0. Next one, for 1,200 the risk weight is 1,200 into 8 by 100 which gives a value 96, and 2,600 into 8 by 100 which gives a value 208, and 3,600 into 8% which gives a value 288. This is a solution, friends. Thank you for watching this video, friends, and kindly subscribe to our channel.